Good morning, guys. I hope you're having a great day. What a fun day, CPI, huh? So we went from 41.55 to 40.18 right now, and wherever else we go, right? Oh man. So today will be a fun day. I think it's gonna be a very fun day. This is a huge move. Remember last time we got this move, the market ripped back up. Let's see what happens today. But one thing I can tell you guys, 4,000 is our volatility trigger, but if we base under 4,000, then we can see much worth 3950, maybe 3900. All right, so keep them in mind. And personally, I was flat into CPI, right? And I'm actually very happy because let's see, we'll have some we'll have some good. I think we'll have a good day today. I'm actually very happy with this move. This brings in volatility back into the markets. And anyone that added Tesla with Yash, congrats, you're up huge. Anyone that added IWM with LB, congrats, you're up huge. And so let's see where we go from here, right? Because if we go on the daily chart on SPX, is a big red candle. This is usually not a good sign. It's really, if we close like this under 40.20 to the 40.15, it's likely to continue down. All right, and then let's see if we can get a big move, or do we reverse back up? I have no idea. So whatever comes, I'm just gonna take it. All right, and one thing I did mention yesterday a few times, that there was negative gamma in some individual stocks, right? So that's why they hold the negative gamma in individual stocks if they do want to bring it down, and they were spot on, right? So that's how gamma helps a lot. And yesterday, one market UB, which we mentioned a few times on voice chat, was not making sense. This was giving up gains. It just kept coming down while the market actually rallied. Okay, and so this was a one hint that be careful. These guys are the first ones to know what's going to happen in the market, right? And same with TLT. Carlos, to answer your question, right? People call TLT bottoms here, but obviously, I was open to it up or down, and it came up here. I tried some TLT long, but clearly the bond market does not believe in the Fed at all yet. There's still outflows, so let's see what happens. But for now, I'm just gonna leave this alone and not do anything with it. And DXY dollar, right? So tops were also called on dollar here, here, and here, so forth. But for me, it's just a clear trend until it fails. All right. And let's see if we go back above 110. 110 is the number on DXY. We hold above 110, like we hold it for a few days. That's when carnage starts in the market. I think that will be the one big signal. The reason why, because Euro USD will be down under dollar, right, down parity, and then we'll take out lows. USD JPY, the way the rates are going, and plus obviously USD stronger, this is gonna fly through the roof. And then we have Great Britain pound with the euro, which is no, not this, GBP USD, also very weak, coming down slowly, right? And then we have what's the other pair? What's the other pair that I watched? Anyways, I'll stop here, and then we'll go on the US 10-year rates as well, which is kind of breaking it. And these rates break out above 350, and we hold above 350 for upside. Things are going to get ugly in the markets. Remember that. But this will be good for the long run. This will be good. It's short-term pain for the markets, but in the long run, this is good. All right, if the rates actually go higher, that's my belief, and I think they should, right? Because our generation thinks will be we need to, right? We need some prices to settle. And apart from that, what else we have here? What am I missing? Apple was just a crazy move yesterday, a big, huge move, right? And a lot of volume came in on this move. Sometimes that volume, when it comes on a move like this, sometimes people just get out, right? And now it's down at 160. Let's see what happens here. But if you take the lows of this day right here of 8 September, I think Apple goes towards the low of the year. Yep. I think it goes for the low of the year. Then we'll see. And Nvidia and AMD and LRC, these names had a lot of negative gamma yesterday, and I did mention it in the chat a few times. And let's see if Nvidia takes it the low of the year, or do they reverse this back up right now. Same with AMD. Let's see if it takes the low of the year, right, and or do we reverse from here, right, in the next few days. So we have CPI, we have FOMC next week, right? And let's see what the Fed will decide for that. Right, XLF is on my radar to add some puts. Oh, it's down huge. But I'm looking at XLF to add some puts for the coming months. I'm gonna go long on these puts though, not something nearby like 6 months out and just sit on them, because I think XLF will eventually take the low of the year. That's just my belief. If not, then if it and because I will have time, I'll be able to manage if I'm on the wrong side. All right, but for now, let's see what happens. And apart from that, guys, just make money, play the markets, and that's it. That's all that matters. Manage your accounts, and it's going to be a good day. So let's see what we get today. Let's see what we get today. All right.